Human beings get confused about what's recyclable.
Right now, only about 20% of what goes into your recycling bin winds up actually being recycled.
If you've ever gone to a place that has an array of waste receptacles, you've had the experience of trying to figure out where to put your item of waste. That confusion at the point of disposal causes contamination. We make a system called TrashBot that uses AI, computer vision, and robotics to detect waste as you throw it away.
We take the decision that you have when you're throwing away an item into recycling or landfill, and we automate that.
At CleanRobotics, we think that you really have to sort accurately as early as possible so that the industry can then recover as much value as possible.
Using it is a lot like using a normal waste receptacle. You just approach it like you would any other waste station, deposit your item of waste inside. At that point, the AI detects and categorizes that item of waste, and then the robotic component just drops it into the correct place. We have a patent on this, and it broadly covers robotic waste bins. Our system is able to collect data on every item of waste. There's a few things that are important. Number one, the AI gets better over time. Our data is also able to provide waste and sustainability insights with a level of granularity not possible through other means. And this can help cities, facilities, recyclers, regulators close the loop on accountability. And it also allows us to craft custom waste-specific educational content for these specific types of contaminants we see in a given location. This is an example of data-driven educational content we can design based on the specific types of contamination that we see. And now you're thinking this robot sounds amazing. How much does it cost? I bet it costs a fortune. Well, actually, we're price competitive with standard waste stations that you see here, for example, at the Denver airport. This set costs $3,000 a set, and they have 250 stations like this throughout the airport. So when they bought these, they spent $750,000 on just shiny metal tubing. And compare these to what TrashBot can do, it's kind of a no-brainer. We have 14 deployments. We're targeting public-facing facilities, airports, convention centers, arenas, music venues, and malls, as well as office spaces. In our pipeline, we have enough for over 450 TrashBots. That's over 2.2 million over the next 6 to 9 months. To go to market, we are really focused on brokers, haulers, as well as building our own sales affiliate network and using our own direct sales efforts. Here are examples of pilots with key players in the waste industry that we have in the pipeline, as well as distribution deals that we already have. So, in general, for your typical facility, we believe that we can save 50% or more in waste-related expenses. As I mentioned, I'm Charles Yap, the co-founder of CleanRobotics. My background is in social entrepreneurship. This is my fourth social venture. Tanner Cook, our VP of Engineering, has a background in mechanical engineering, nanotechnology, nuclear engineering, and software development. To date, we've raised over $1 million from investors, like the ones you see here. One of the things we're most proud of is the actual quantifiable impact of our technology. 2 TrashBots deployed in a stadium sorted over 30,000 items with much greater accuracy than the public can achieve. And that, in turn, saved 5 tons of CO2 from being emitted. And that is the equivalent of taking 1 fossil fuel burning car off the road. We're a semifinalist in the IBM Watson AI X Prize. It's a competition that started with over 1,000 applicants, and we are in the semifinal 10. Specifically in Texas, we just shipped a unit to Dallas-Fort Worth Airport, and we have a unit installed at the Waste Management headquarters in Houston. So if you want to visit, let us know. We are seeking partners, customers, and investors, and if you think you might be helpful in any of those categories, please reach out. We would love to chat and sort out the solid waste problem in the United States.